Hello and welcome to the Cube Solutions Creating a Page tutorial. In this tutorial we will show you how to create a new page on the Ninja FitKits website. Firstly, we will head over to our website and we will log in. Upon logging in, we will be greeted with our dashboard. Next, we will use our cursor to select the title pages and we will select Add New. This will now take us to a new page where we are able to create a new page. For this example, I will be creating a new gallery page. I will start by entering the title of the page. For the time being, I'm going to copy this title as I'm going to use it in the next section. Scrolling down, we come to the focus key phrase. The focus key phrase will be the same as the title, gallery. The focus keyword is what Google will use to index its search results to match your page. Scrolling down to the Edit Snippet section, we're able to edit the slug and the meta description. In this case, the slug should be the same as the title, and the meta description should include the title as well. As you can see, a little bar has appeared below the meta description. This indicates the preferred amount of text required for the description. Orange indicates that the text is too little or too much, where green indicates the preferred amount of text. I will now enter some text in order to show this to you. As you can see, I have entered a meta description and the bar has now gone from orange to green, indicating it is the preferred amount of text. We are now done with the snippet and we will close it. Scrolling back to the top of the page, we will come to the featured image. Here we will select Set Featured Image. The featured image is what Google will show when you share the page. For this example, we will simply choose the Ninja Zone logo and select Featured Image. Once the image has been added, we'll move up to the template. Please note that we will be using the Elementor full width as a template, as that is the page builder we are using. Next, we will hit publish and the page will be created. Once the page has been created and the page has finished loading, we will use our cursor to select the Edit with Elementor button. This will now open the page with the Elementor page builder and we can begin creating the gallery page. You will be taken to a blank page and this is where we will start creating. First, we will use our mouse cursor to select the plus icon to add a new section. We will then be given the option to choose the structure, either one column, two columns, three columns, four columns, or a combination of columns with different sizes. Please note we can edit this later on, and for this example I will do one column. As you can see, it has now created one section with one column inside it. Next, we will want to add a title to this column. To do that, we will select the 9 dots on our sidebar, and we will either search for the heading by typing it in here, or we are able to find it from the list below and simply click and drag it to where we want it. As you can see, it has now added the heading with some dummy text. We will now change that text to gallery. As you can see, the text is now sitting to the left and is the wrong color. To fix this, we will set the alignment to center and we will go over to the styling section. Here we are able to change the text color and we are able to make it a solid black. As you can see, that is looking better. However, the title is too small and is sitting too close to the top of the page. To fix this, we will select the typography under the heading section and we will change the size to say 30. As you can see, 30 did not do much, so we will double it to 60. That is looking a bit better and we will close the typography section. Now we will add some padding to the top. By going to the advanced section and unlinking the padding section, we are able to add a padding on the top of 30 to that section. As you can see, it has now increased the top space for there. Next, we will want to create the actual gallery. To do this, we will select the 9 dots and we will search for a gallery. We will use the basic gallery in this example. Again, we will drag the widget over to beneath the gallery title, and you will see a new section appear. Again, we will use the edit button to edit that widget. On the left hand side, you can see we are able to add images by selecting the little plus icon. When adding images, we have two options. We are able to upload images from your computer directly, or we are able to choose images that have already been uploaded to the website. In this case, we will choose some pre-existing images. Once we are happy with our selected images, at the bottom right we will select Create a New Gallery. Next, we will be taken to the Edit page. Here we are able to move the gallery around and change the order of the images, as well as add captions and so forth. Next, we will select Insert Gallery. As you can see on the left hand side, it has added our images. Next, we will choose the image size. We will select Full for this section. Next, we are going to edit the number of columns. Since there are 9 images selected, we will select 3 columns. Next, we will choose the link. This is what will happen when a user clicks on the image. We want them to actually see the attachment page. Next, we will select the Style section. Here we are able to edit the spacing or add a border to the gallery, as well as edit all the caption options, including the typography and text color and alignment. Lastly, in the Advanced tab, we have the options to edit the margin, padding, and so forth. Please note that when you are in the back end, you will not be able to see the gallery 100%. In order to do this, we will use a cursor and select the 3 lines at the top left of the page. Next, we will select View Page. However, we will right-click and we will open Link in a new tab. This will now open the gallery in a preview mode for us to view. As you can see, we have not published it, therefore there is nothing to view, so we will close this tab. Next, we will come back to our gallery page and we will select Update. Once the page is updated, again we will select the 3 dots at the top left and we will open the page in a new link. As you can see, it has now loaded the gallery page and we are able to see all the images. Going back to the back end of the page, we are able to continue. Next, we would like to add a simple Contact Us beneath the gallery. To do this, we will simply say Create a New Section. We will select 1 column, and as you can see, it has now entered 1 column in 1 section below. Next, we will want to add a text box where we are able to enter audio information. We will do so by selecting a text editor. Once the text editor has loaded, we will simply delete all the text and we will enter the preferred text we want. As you can see, the text is way too small and is pushed to the left. We will fix this by selecting the alignment and pushing it to the center. Next, we will go to the styling section and we will change the text color and make it a pitch black. Next, we will go to the typography section and we can change the size of the text. As you can see, 35 should be a good size, and we will save the changes by hitting Update. Going back to our front page, you can see this is all page with a gallery with no text below it. We will now refresh that page and you will see the changes made. As you can see, there is a new text we have entered. And that is how you would create a new page on NinjaFit Kids.